Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porpoise and Compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. Commissioning. The aim is to test and adjust the installation, set up and start use, train the user, and hand over the finished product to the client. Calibrate the pH sensors. pH 3.07 and pH 7 test fluid are required. Access the pH settings in the controller and run the calibration program. This will require immersing the pH sensors in the set fluids as required. Confirm the conductivity sensor. Place the conductivity sensor in 140 millisiemens test fluid and confirm the reading. Do not lose the rubber. Calibrate the flow meter, or the lead bar. With the system running at 100%, the correct pressure and full flow, press and hold button S2 until the display flashes. This calibrates the flow to show 100%. Set point 1 to value 4. To do this, press S1 and then use the buttons as left and right. Set point 2 to value 7. Press S2 and then use the buttons as left and right. Take care not to cross set point 1 and set point 2. This is not required on the DLG flow meter. For further support, please contact us.